Hello everyone. Welcome to day 17 gratitude challenge. Today's topic is the magic check. Yes, it's all about finances and money. So in a magical universe, there are no coincidences or there are no accidents. Nothing happens unless someone wills for it. So whatever the money you want to have in life, you have to will for it. You have to be in the receptive energy towards money. Only then money will flow to you. But most of the times we feel jealousy about others' money. They are having, we are not having enough. Or you feel envy that they have many houses and we are not able to have those houses. Or you feel disappointment that you are not making enough money. Or you feel worry that you are not meeting the needs of your family or anything, or your education or your children's education. So many things we fear about money. But fear is not the solution. Fear is basically operating from the lack. You should operate from the point of love and gratitude and joy. So when you feel joyful about the money you have currently, then you will be able to attract more money into life. So fear is not the energy you should be giving to money. It should be the gratitude and joy that you should be offering for the money you have and the money you will be receiving in the future. So sometimes you may feel that you are not having money. That time I would suggest a simple technique where you can take a couple of the currency denominations that you are having, whichever the currency, put it on your bedside and or whichever the place you constantly see it. Then you will feel happy about it. Even whenever you are having lack feelings, still by seeing that money you will feel joyous. So it immediately changes your feeling towards money. So whoever doesn't resonate with the checks, money checks, then you can put the actual currency so that you can build that relation with the money. So next thing is you have to understand about money. All and everything around money. Maybe about multiple avenues of income, multiple streams of income, as even Warren Buffett mentions about having multiple streams of income. So many people who are rich, they don't just invest in one thing or just do one activity to get the money. They will be involved in multiple things and they will be studying wherever the new knowledge is. So this should be your way of life, having gratitude always towards money. Then you will get more. Sometimes you may not feel gratitude for just money because money is not the end. It's just a means to get whatever you want. It's a means to get the education you want to have, the travel you want to do, or the children's education. So many things. It's just a means, but it's not an end. So when you express gratitude for all these things that you want to have in your life, then definitely those things will come to you and you will have the gratitude for money as well. So be open to the receiving of that unexpected check. It happens if you are willing to receive. Maybe increase in your salaries or you win a lottery, your intuition will guide to that. Or you may get a tax refund, or you may also get gifts from people, unexpected gifts, or sometimes you want to buy something and people will give you the same thing. Like that, so many wonders and miracles will happen around money. And sometimes in shops, if you go, there will be discounts, sales. This is also an opening and receiving of money that you have. So today's practice, you need to have a blank check. So you can have a blank check. It is a magic check from the universe, gratitude bank of the universe. Fill in whatever amount of the money you want to receive. Maybe it can be taken as for this year or this month, whatever you feel like. Along with, and write the amount and also sign it and write today's days. And imagine, visualize that you have already received it. Feel that vibration. Give importance to that feeling, the emotions that come out of it. right? So start with a smaller amount. So don't write a very huge amount which you yourself are not believing. The subconscious anyways won't accept that kind of request. So have little competitive number so that you can achieve it. When you get this money, then you will get this confidence, then you will have more gratitude and joy for money, and you will get even more money. So once you achieve the money you have written in the check, you can always rewrite a new number and place this check in front of a refrigerator or on your bookshelf or book table, wherever, so that you can constantly see and have gratitude for the money that you are receiving. So this is the exercise for today. And then I am also conducting a money magnetism workshop on this weekend, and where we will be discussing lot of processes and techniques which will help you to see your self-worth. So it's not just about money. It unlocks lot of things about yourself. How you are feeling helpless, how you are feeling unworthy, how you are treated by your family or the society or the workplace. So it unlocks so many things, so much of stuff comes out of you. This will help you definitely clear the blocks, and also maybe you are having debts. It will give clarity how to get rid of the debts easily, effortlessly, and a lot of reprogramming will also be done. What kind of changes we can make in your lives, and what are the new opportunities that we are always avoiding, we are fearing the changes. So these things will be discussed as part of this money magneting workshop. It is of 5 hours. You can contact me on my number 9008172484. So with this is a simple technique today. Maybe you can have your currency, or you can put a magic check, whichever you resonate with most, and have gratitude for it. Visualize, imagine the best possible things that you will experience from the receiving of that money. With this, I thank you all. See you tomorrow.